G'day, Daniel Gowland from Priam Psittaculture Centre. Senegal parrot. Just hatched. And here is a little fella. Weighing in at a massive 6.4 grams. First feed. Here we go, little fella. So not really putting pressure on the head, just sitting there like a couple of 3 pillows. There's a finger at the back to give a reference point. You want to encourage the pumping. Look at the size of it. Oh! And he's off. Not really having to hold the head. Well, you do have to sort of guide it a little bit. Oh. And he's off again. And this is where Harrison's neonate comes in dandy. It is what gives them everything they need. Whoa! The neonate seems to get them up and running, flapping here as quick as possible. Alright, the little dude doesn't want to really eat. He only hatched an hour ago. I'm not pushing it. But I am going to be getting a little pillow, a little blanket, something for this little fella to snuggle up into if he so fits. Yellow. Good night.